Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. I have this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle that has been badged as an SS car. Beautiful straight body, sitting on American racing wheels, Willwood power disc slotted brakes in the front, manual brakes in the back. They are power steering. Beautiful paint. The paint's about 3 years old on this car. Chrome trim. Black stripes have been painted, and then you got the traditional stripe here for the 69 on the side with the decal. Beautiful body, guys. I don't see any bubbling. I don't see any scratches. I don't see any dings. I don't see any dents. Dual sport mirrors, as you can see. Nice chrome throughout the car as well. It does have a big block 468 motor under the hood with a 700 R4 4-speed automatic transmission, 12-bolt rear end as well. Let's check out this interior real quick. Black buckets, center console, great dash, weather stripping replaced, seat belts all intact. Yes, the dome light does function, but check out these door lips. Nice and crisp. Inner outer jambs have been redone, all on both sides. You cannot go wrong here, guys. Let me pop this hood real quick. Here we are, big block 468, like I mentioned to you guys, bored and stroked. It's got the pulley system here, aluminum water pump, set up with the polished alternator, chrome power steering set up there, CVF setup, chrome master cylinder and booster, high performance aluminum intake as well, guys. You got spindles in the front, upper and lowers, I believe. Upgraded Optima battery, aluminum radiator, and then here you got two huge cooling fans as well. I'm gonna pop this. I'm gonna turn this over. I want you guys to check it out. Yes, it does have headers as well. This car here, guys and gals, has a push button start. So what you would do, well, let me get the key. So before I start it, let's check out the trunk real quick. Okay, trunk is solid as can be, guys. These quarters have been replaced. Why do I know that? Because the numbers, factory numbers, are not on the stamp on the pad here. Okay, so but they've been installed professionally. And how do I know that? Look how nice that gap is. Okay, there's no lines here. They just did a beautiful job, and that's on both sides. All right. Now we can start it. So in the turned on position, and then right down here is the start button. It's got a nice cam in it. Snap, crackle, and pop, baby. Listen to that popcorn, baby. Woo, woo. How much horsepower do you think this is putting out? Let's go. Wow. There you have it. Radio works, headlights function, horn, how much you want to bet doesn't work? It doesn't work. Wipers work, triple gauge package functions, recently installed, defrost, I don't feel nothing. So it's a hot rod, guys. It's a hot rod. So there you have it. For financing, okay, if your credit score is between 650 and 799, you will need about 10% down. The payments are tailored around your income and your debt. to make it comfy and affordable. For those of you who have an 800 and a higher credit score, we have a no money down option. Rates start at 6.94%, guys, okay? 6.94%. You can check out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. Now, if you need delivery, you may call or text. I do prefer text. I'm doing these videos daily on over 200 cars that we have in stock. So go ahead and text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching, MGM.